gun sound of a clap. Wap, 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 wap.
I know I've been gone for a couple of weeks, but I had to like revamp myself, rejuvenate myself. Cause life happens sometimes, you know what I mean? And yeah, life happens sometimes. And sometimes you just have to push through even when shit is happening for real, and just understand like it is what it is. You can't stop your dream because you're having a bad day. Tell you what I've been going on with for the past weeks that I've been missing. I started a Twitch. Got like 2 viewers, two followers on it already. It's new. I'm trying to like figure out what to do on it. I know I'm gonna play games on it. I know I'm gonna like react to some videos on it, but it's like it's hard, bro. It's hard to like get the sound together, get everything together, and it's I just started, so it's like figuring it out. It's kind of like I be wondering like how do people like do this YouTube shit, bro? Like how they become like how they reach their audience, how they become like good influencers, and trying to study the game. In today's video, I'm gonna cook some food today. I'm gonna cook. I don't know what I'm really gonna cook. I'm not gonna cook nothing fancy because this is not cooking with Kaya, to be honest. I'm gonna cook something simple, probably like rice and like beef or some shit like that. Nothing fancy. So I'm heading to Walmart right now to go get the stuff. Bro, I've not been out of my house all day, bro. I've just been cooped up in the house, trying to set up my Twitch, trying to figure the shit out, like with Twitch and the sound and all that shit. Bro, this content thing is hard, bro. Like, if people say it's easy, that shit is hard. Like, to figure out everything and make sure everything is clean, everything is perfect. That's why I feel like some people just post just to post these days, bro. Because that shit is difficult. I just came to the Walmart. I bought jasmine rice, and I bought a whole bunch of stuff. I bought like beef, mackerel. Some of y'all don't even know what this shit is, bro. This is like, people call it Jamaican poor food, but bro, this shit tastes good as fuck, bro. Especially when you season it and put all your greens and all that shit in there. And I bought some sardines. This shit also Jamaican poor people food also. But I can't get out of it. I love those shits, so I'm eat them shits easy. I'll be cooking today. It's no biggie. I'm thinking about cooking corned beef. If you're Jamaican, you know. You feel me? When it comes down to corned beef, that's the favorite thing to eat. You get what I mean? It's not gonna be too long. I gotta wash some of these plates though. To go. That's the rice pot. This is the beef pot. Yeah, so everything is washed. Now you just take a paper towel and you dry it off, You just dry it off. So because I'm cooking right now, I want it dry right now. You know what I mean? Got a cover for it too. And then you just, at the last, you just wipe the stove. Because you put a wet pot on the stove, so you gotta wipe it. Alright. Now, since it's just gonna be me, you don't need a lot of rice. You feel me? Just need a little bit of rice, right? So, you know, open the rice. You fill it up to the amount you want, right? Right. Boomski. Get a little bit more. Boomski. What's the next thing you have to do? If y'all just put water and start cooking, y'all nasty as fuck. Because the next thing we got to do is clean the rice. You know what I mean? Clean the rice. Give it a nice little cleaning. So you put it under the water, let it run a little bit. Let it run a little bit. You see all that white, right? You put, well, I wash my hands. You just stir it around so you get all that white. You saw the water is white. You got to get all that white water out of there, you know? So you stir it around. And you just repeat until the water is clear. Then I don't like drinking. I don't like using the pipe water because it's not good for you. It's actually your shit water that you're actually drinking from the pipe. If you guys didn't know, right? So, to know how to level off the, like, know how much water you need in the pot, you just put your finger in there. This is a trick from my mom. You put your finger in there, and then where the tip of your finger touch the rice and where the water is leveled, it's supposed to be right here. That means you have enough water, right? So that means if it's still not, like, if it's still hard, you can put a little bit of water in there, but not a lot. So you just do it, and it's ready. You know what I mean? All right. Put it on medium heat, right? Medium heat, right? And let that sizzle a little bit, you know? Right? Since the rice take a while to cook, right? I would hold off on cooking the beef until the rice is kind of almost there. Like real talk. Like real talk. You clean up after yourself when you're done. Turn it. Oh, I can start cooking the beef. If y'all Jamaicans, bro, you lose this ski, bro, and this is your only fucking. If y'all Jamaicans, bro, and you lose this ski, bro, and this is your only corned beef left, you're screwed. You gotta take a knife and start cutting through this shit, the most hardest shit ever, bro. Get this nice and warmed, you know. This nice and warmed. Feel me? Put your little oil in there, not too much, because this beef naturally has oil in it because of the fat. If you guys didn't know, giving you a class on that bitch. You know, you stir the oil all over the pot. Alright. I mean, not putting too much oil in the beef. Then some people take the paper off. I don't. It doesn't make sense. Alright, put it here. Start twisting that motherfucker. Bro, American people don't even know about shit like that. American people don't like corned beef like that. Like corned beef in a can. Alright, boom. Take this off. Alright. Alright. Then you right. mash this out. This shit tough. Then you put a little, we call it a little seasoning, just called ketchup. You let it get hot first. When it start boiling, you start stirring. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to finish work. I just did my Twitch. By the way, follow me on Twitch, Life with Dre, same spelling, no space. You feel me? While I was doing Twitch, I was also making my YouTube video also. You know what I mean? What they saying? You kill two birds with one stone. So yep. So this is my rice. And my corned beef. I'm gonna share it right now. Right now I'm gonna share it. I got no plate. And this is what you call Jamaican poor people food. You see it? Easy cheesy. Hey man, do me a huge favor, like and subscribe to the YouTube. We are going up, almost at 50 subscribers, almost at 10 subscribers on Twitch. I'm trying to do this shit every single day. Need you to motivate me, need you to keep me going, and we're gonna keep going. You feel me? Subscribe, like, and share. Dre out.
Wap, 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 wap. Contract, yeah, killing, yeah. So I'm in the top. Wap, wap.